So if you are an N10 developer or AI agent developer, so this video is going to be for you. So I am going to tell you that what is going to be the cost breakdown of running an AI agent on platforms like N10 or make.com or whatever. Okay, so yeah, be with me till the end. This video is going to be so much amazing. So first of all, before moving into the video, I would like to tell you that I have created a bunch of N10 during this past 2 to 3 months. So with this experience, I would like to tell you that what is going to be the cost breakdown of the running any kind of AI agent, and I have built it for real clients. Okay, so yeah, this video is pretty much going to be amazing. So yeah, and first of all, before starting that, I would like to tell you that I am creating a bunch of videos on this space, N10 and AI agents and all, overall the AI space, where it is going, and also help you to show you the direction that what are the things you can sell as well. So yeah, you can follow me along if you like the content and all. So yeah, let's get back to the video. So the first thing, the first cost is going to be the platform cost, which is going to be the N10 or make, whichever you pick. Okay, and this is to be frank, which is going to be not much if you self-host N10, and it is going to be a lot if you use make.com instead. Although it is going to be much more beginner friendly, but this is instead going to be a lot more cheaper, because it is only going to be taking around, I would like to tell you, roughly around 500 per month, because I was checking out as well. You can just go and search it out like this, hostinger N10 hosting or whatever, and you can just pick your plan, and I would suggest this one because this is best for whatever reason. Okay, if you are not using a very heavy task or whatever, so this is the best one. So considering this, this is going to be cost around 500 per month. Okay, and for make.com this is going to be a lot. Okay, so what is a lot? Let's see that as well. Make.com pricing. So you can see, yeah, this actually calculates your cost with the number of operations, and this 1,000 operations is completely free. But to be frank, this is nothing. Okay, when you start running any kind of operations, it will just soon exhaust you within an hour or something if you do a bit of running or whatever. Okay, so yeah, this 1,000 is so much less. So yeah, you can see, for every operation you will be running, it is going to be a lot, because it is seeming that it is $9 a month only, but this is, trust me, this is a lot more than that. Okay, so by the way, it's your choice whatever you make, but make is also a great platform, but I would like to suggest that Anytime, and I love Anytime instead of make. Okay, although it is a bit low level. Okay, low level in the sense, in terms of technicalities and all, so you need to go into more technicals to run Anytime instead of make, which is beginner friendly more towards. Okay, so yeah, the second cost is going to be the token cost. So the fact is, because you are creating an AI agent, so you will be going to use any kind of LLM. So LLM model, whether it is ChatGPT or whether it is Grok or whether it is Google Gemini, okay, whichever you pick, or whatever, Claude or whatever, okay, Anthropic, whatever you pick, it is going to be a bit of cost of tokens. But to be frank, I am not considering that, because this is going to be a very much cheaper, because I have uh, I have put $10 around 2 months before, and till this date I am using out a lot of ChatGPT, and it still did not exhausted yet. Okay, and I think these are even yet it is a lot are remaining. Okay, I can run a lot right now as well. So yeah, considering that this is so much cheap, and it actually, if it also depends upon which model you use. So I usually use 4o mini, which is so much cheaper. So even if you use I think chat gpt, yeah, if you will go, you need to check it out although, but you can go one model up, and it is still going to be under your budget only. So yeah, that's also the thing you can consider. Other than that, the fact is that you will be going to use a bunch of platforms a lot. Okay, so whether it is Google Sheet, okay, whether it is, I would like to tell you, like chat models, like chat platforms like uh, Telegram or Slack or whatever, so you can use those platforms. So for that platforms, or if you are creating for the content, so you need to use some third party, or otherwise you can use the native APIs as well, but you need to see that you need to use it wisely instead of just running it mindlessly, which makes more sense that to use some third-party tools instead of directly using any kind of APIs from directly, I would say, like from LinkedIn or whatever. Instead of that, I have created one Anytime, and I have used Unipile. Okay, so it is a third-party platforms which uses your LinkedIn credentials, and you can directly use its API with your Anytime and all. Now the next thing is, I have also used this platform, GHL. Okay, go high level. So this, to be frank, it actually costs money. On completely for free you cannot use it. So if you want to use it, you need to pay for it. The fact is that you are an AI developer, so for learning these kind of things you might have to pay a bit of money. But on the other hand, if you are doing it for your client, you can directly tell it to the client, or communicate to the client that whatever the platform you will be going to use, you need to provide all those APIs to me, or instead you need to pay those platforms, and then you can just give me the credentials, or give me the access, and I can do all those things further after that. So yeah, we were recently using this platform called Blotato, Blotato. I think, if I'm not using the wrong wording or name of this platform. So yeah, we have said this same thing to the client, and similar on this similar platform, sorry, this project only, we were using a bunch of other platforms as well, and we have did this same thing only for the client. So there are two things. If you are doing it for your client, then you will be going to get the access easily, and you don't have to pay any money for that, and it is still going to be so much cheaper for your client, because for an AI automation which is going to save a lot of money, maybe thousands at least, I'm saying $1,000 at least. And because it is going, the worth is going to be a lot. Okay, because people are selling it to the $1,000, and the if you are selling something for $1,000, the worth is definitely going to be the 2, 3, 4 times at least of it. Okay, so for 4,000 value, $4,000 value, you think that paying for something like $50 or something, or for whatever, $50, $100 per month is going to be a lot? So that's actually the thing we can see in this space, that the cost of running this AI thing and all, it is actually a lot less, unless the cost comes to you. If you are an AI developer and if you are learning these platforms, then the only choice left to you is use trials of whatever the platform you are looking for, and most of the platforms are actually open to give you some trials for some 7 days or whatever, with limits. Okay, recently I was using VO3. Okay, and VO3 is also having this trial period, but you need to link your payment system. And the most important thing, in the moment you initially link your payment system, the instantly you will be going to get activated with your platform. Instantly you need to sign out or cancel the subscription, otherwise you will be going to get penalized with your after your first month or whatever the trial period is. So yeah, this is so much important, and I have used a lot of platforms with this trick simple. Okay, so you need to just have some kind of payment plan or whatever, but you need to use it to actually pay it for your learning and all. So I would like to encourage you to actually use these kind of platforms and learn out and see that what are the possibilities, instead of just thinking about that yeah, this is going to be cost me this or whatever XYZ. So if I have to summarize it all, this summarizes to this thing, that the actual cost other than this thing is actually so much less. So if you are looking out for learning AI automations and all, please consider, at least keep this in mind, that if I talk about in Indian rupees, so around 1,000 rupees at least, to, if you would say, 10,000 rupees. Okay, that is a very good to go thing. I know this is not a very small amount for you to invest. So that's why only I would suggest that you can start with, at least with this thing, learning out a lot of the things, and with on the go you can provide some services, do something for free and all, and then you can just put that money and learn more with the other platforms and all. But the thing is, most of the platforms, whichever will give you the trial thing and all, it will give you the confidence to actually execute all those things, the similar API integrations and all, in the other platforms as well, which are paid. So that's why it is not actually a big deal. So this is actually a barrier in our mind, that if the cost is so much high or whatever, so how I'm gonna learn or whatever. So I would only just wanted to encourage you that instead of thinking in that direction, if you have a bit of money, just go and invest it, because it is going to be a lot of returns in terms of whatever the learning you will be going to get. Okay, the second thing is, if you genuinely don't have money, I would just going to suggest you that anyhow just do take the subscription, sorry, this trial thing and all. Even anytime provides you the trial thing, and you can just start learning anytime, and you need to get better at sales. Otherwise, I would like to tell you that you are just a developer, and only developers don't uh, get paid so much if you just rely on this thing that someone will come and give me some job or something. So you need to get better at sales. So a bit of confidence in these kind of tutorials are enough to actually go out and sell your services. So that's what I would just like to tell you. And the cost at this moment of running these kind of agents is so much less in comparison to whatever the value these are providing actually. But I can understand that it is so not so much easy as a college student or a school student or whatever the situation is in front of you. But the only thing is that you can make a way out, and there are ways you can learn and do the things. So yeah, nothing is actually stopping you. So this video is, I think, I hope I could have given you the answer to this question that the you might be having, that the cost of running an AI agent is actually comparatively so much less, and around roughly around 10 to $20 only. Okay, on roughly on basic level. Okay, the upper limit is not there, but on the other hand, because you can use any kind of tool, but on the other hand, you can just start off with this basic thing, or even for free if you are looking out to do the things on a trial period only. So yeah, that was the video, and I hope that could have given you some kind of insights or whatever. And just let me know in the comments that what else you would like to listen from me or learn from me. So yeah, thank you so much, and I would see you in our next video, creating a lot of amazing videos in this space. Thank you so much.